MistrMopar back again, and today I'm going to show you guys how to change the rear brake pads in a 2008 Suzuki Forenza. This is a very quick and simple brake job. You need very minimal tools. All you really need, you need a 3/4 inch socket for your lug nuts, a 9/16 wrench or ratchet socket, whichever you prefer, a clamp for your caliper, and that's really all you need. So to jack up the rear of these, I found the best spot, because they don't give you a lot on these Forenzas, is in front of the rear tire. The little hanger there is the best spot. You can see where I've got the jack. That's the most secure spot. The jack stand up under the rear cross member, and we'll go from there. One more little tip I'll give you. So my DeWalt impact is a 1/2 inch. It's pretty good impact, good and strong. I've never had any trouble getting lug nuts off. Every now and then, like if one of these doesn't want to loosen up, put it into forward like you're going to tighten it, and just tap it a couple times and then back it off, and that usually will jolt it loose enough so that it will spin off. Once you've got your tire off, here's your caliper. You get a 9/16 bolt on the bottom and the top. A lot of brake jobs, you'll loosen the bolts and you'll flip the caliper down. You want to do the opposite on the Forenza. You want to take the bottom bolt out, loosen the top one, and flip it up, and I will show you in just a moment. Okay, so I've got my bottom 9/16 out, top one's loose, and you can see here you just flip the caliper up. The reason being is your brake line. There's not enough extra line on that to go down with it, so you just go up. Pop your old shoes out. Pause this and put those new ones in. Alright, so I've got my new pads in there. One more thing you want to check while you've got everything loose here is your slide pins on the bottom and the top. Want to make sure that they slide and they move properly. If they're not sliding, you're going to want to take that out and free it up, because if it's not sliding properly, what's going to happen is it's going to cause your brake pads to wear out prematurely, and you'll be doing it again. So now that that's done, I'm going to put an old pad right here on the caliper. I'm going to compress it with my C-clamp, slide them back over, put the 9/16 bolt back in the bottom, tighten them both up, put the tire back on, and you're done. Quickest, easiest brake pad job you will ever do. All you need for tools, again, 3/4 inch for your lug nuts, and 9/16 for your caliper bolts, or 14mm, either one will work. Flip it up, not down, check your slide pins, put the new ones on, put it back together, and you are done. Thanks for watching. Drop me a comment, let me know if this helped you out. Got any questions? Feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.